So video 13, starting here at the signs, the bridge. So the village is 1.2 kilometers this way. You can see the little yellow house. It used to be a bathroom of a restaurant that belonged to the municipality before. So my beach starts here. It goes 160 meters, as indicated on the sign. And then the main hotel is here. And then the Hotel Miliwa and Awatawa are on the beach after us. That's Miliwa and that's Awatawa. So, here we are. The water is chest deep for 200 meters. It's chest deep, so the water is always sandy and it rarely gets really clear. So I built these little kiosks to provide a little bit of shade here. We're on the beach. It's very hot. And I'm going to walk all the way to the end of my beach. So these mangroves, also they can be trimmed for the view of the beach. Right now it kind of separates us. The beach is constantly changing, but it's really comfortable. There's no dangerous currents. It's just soft sand all the way around. So it's very comfortable. Here's a little mangroves. I'm going to build this kind of a little house and bar. Gave the money to the guy put in the floor, and he disappeared. I guess he had enough. But nice and cool here when it's those really hot days. Let's keep walking here to get a good idea. The beach constantly changing, constantly. Every 6 months it looks very different. Sometimes it's full of debris, sometimes it's just clean and smooth. I used to have palm trees and they died when I bought the land 8 years ago. Here's some pelicans, lots of pelicans. Like I said, this is a bird lover's paradise because we have seabirds, we have the desert wood birds, migratory birds. We can have some flamingos that stop by once in a while. This area to build a little something in the shade there. We got kind of these two roads. Let's keep going. Get a good idea of the size of the beach. So sometimes this beach is a little more skinnier. It's always there though. Not like in Palomino where the whole beach is washed away. Sometimes it gets a bit thicker. Sometimes there's a little bit of a ridge. Very comfortable beach without sand. No currents. And at that point there is excellent kite surfing, world-class kite surfing, the wind. And in this bay we're protected. And then we're beside Mama Vita Natural Bird Reserve, which is a government, so no building can happen on the east side of my land because it belongs to the government. And this is full of birds. This is my property line of my beach here. This is right here I used to have a little hut built over there. And this is to the neighboring hotel, and this is all the bird reserve. Lots and lots of birds looking for shrimp or what have you. Walk back to the beach here. So I have possession of the beach. I bought possession of the beach. Naturally, I would have a right-of-way because it's in front of my property, so it would be mine anyways. These neighboring hotels, they've only bought possession. I'm the only one in the area that has land, that has registered land. Everyone else has bought possession of the beach. Miliwa, Awatawa, Bird Reserve. This is where my beach, 160 meters.